Okay, we're on the ground at Altus. Got our squawk, got our VFR clearance, and we're gonna request taxi. You ready? Altus ground, Skyhawk 79er 879er ready to taxi with Yankee.
Skyhawk 79er 879er Altus ground, runway 17 right at Foxtrot. Intersection departure 7,000 feet available, taxi Charlie Foxtrot.
Okay, 17 right at Foxtrot, taxi Charlie Foxtrot, 79er 879er.
Altus ground, Cherokee 1025 X-ray, ready for engine start.
Cherokee 1025 X-ray, engine start approved.
25 X-ray, thank you very much.
All right, we're going to Fox.
Ground, Bonanza 1240 Alpha is ready to taxi.
Bonanza 1240 Alpha, roger, runway 17 right at Foxtrot. Intersection departure 7,000 feet available, taxi Charlie Foxtrot.
All right, 17 right at Foxtrot via Charlie Foxtrot, 40 Alpha.
All right, we got tower set up here, 11965, is that correct?
For...
Tower?
Yes.
Okay, we're ready to switch to tower.
November 879er, verify VFR, IFR departure.
VFR for 879er.
Roger, and verify you have received your clearance.
Affirmative, 879er.
Okay. November, Kirkson, Bonanza 40 Alpha, verify IFR, VFR, and that you have your clearance.
I'm IFR and I have my clearance.
Roger, thank you.
Altus ground, Cherokee 1025 X-ray on the ramp with Yankee, ready to taxi.
Cherokee 1025 X-ray, runway 17 right at Foxtrot. Intersection departure 7,000 feet available, taxi via Charlie Foxtrot. Verify IFR, VFR.
There's Echo 1.
Cherokee 1025 X-ray will be VFR and a 17 right at Foxtrot, and I'll take Charlie.
November 25 X-ray, and verify you have your clearance.
Clarence did give me clearance to the, I didn't get any particular heading, but we told them where we're going and gave them an altitude.
Roger.
And 25 X-ray also has the transponder squawk.
Copy.
Altus Tower Skyhawk 79er 879er is holding short, 17 right at Foxtrot.
November 60 Hotel, contact Altus approach 125.1.
Switching 60 Hotel.
November 79er 879er, runway 17 right at Foxtrot, line up and wait.
17 right at Foxtrot, line up and wait, 879er. Okay, we're going to go mixture rich, we're ready to go, so we'll just get out here onto the middle of this crazy huge runway and wait.
Be a sitting duck.
Yeah.
Uh, 1240 Alpha is holding short, 17 right at Fox.
November 1240 Alpha, continue holding short, runway 17 right at.
Hold short, 40 Alpha.
We're ready for departure. Runway heading 2,500.
November 79er 879er, runway 17 right at Foxtrot, wind 170 at 14, cleared for takeoff, flying right in, climb maintain 2,500.
Clear for takeoff 17 right, runway heading 2,500, 879er. Right, here we go.
November 74 uniform, contact Altus approach 125.1.
125.1.
They're getting lots of practice today, aren't they?
Yeah.
These crazy civilian pilots.
Probably like, get out of here.
1240 Alpha, runway 17 right, Foxtrot, line up and wait.
They're probably just wanting us to get out of here.
Yeah, because they're closing up the airport. An
We're
hour
not
or so.
standardized like they are. Well, we are, but
Different.
different.
Just a little different. Okay, 125.1's in the standby for number 2, so. Check out these bunkers over here.
Hey, don't hit them.
What?
They're munitions, aren't they?
Probably.
November 879er, contact Altus approach 125.1.
125.1. Thanks for having us, 879er.
You're welcome, see ya.
Been pretty quiet. Good afternoon, Altus approach, Skyhawk 79er, 879er, just off Altus, runway heading 2,400 for 2,500.
Skyhawk 79er, 879er, Altus departure, ident.
879er, ident.
November 7-4 uniform, proceed to Frederick Regional Airport, report in sight.
Proceeding direct to Frederick and we'll report airport in sight, 7-4 uniform.
November 879, radar contact 3 miles south of Altus Air Force Base.
879er, roger.
November 879, stay on course heading.
79er, 879er, looks like about a 060.
November 879er, proceed on course.
On course, 879er.
November 879er, would you like VFR flight following to your destination or just through my airspace?
879er, just in your airspace.
November 879er, roger. Are you familiar with restricted area 5601?
Affirmative, we're going to go just a little bit to the north here directly.
November 879er, roger.
Alright, we got some cool terrain to fly over here momentarily.
Yep.
It's the same stuff we flew through before. Super Cub style.
Cherokee 25 X-ray, previously issued traffic, 1 o'clock, 5 miles northeastbound.
25 X-ray, negative contact, I've got him on ADSB.
Cherokee 25 X-ray, roger.
Now we're going to get one.
November 879er, previously issued traffic at your 3 o'clock, 4 miles northeastbound. Radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, and for further flight following, contact 128.4.
Skyhawk 879er, we're swapping over to 1200 now. Thanks for your help today.
No problem, have a nice one. Cherokee 25 X-ray, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Cherokee 25 X-ray, yeah, thanks for your help.
Have a safe flight.
T5 X-rays up.
We're with you.
I still don't have you in sight.
I had you a second ago when you first went over the lake, but now I don't have you.
Are you going to Hinton?
Stand by. 879er, I guess we'll just go straight home.
Roger that, I'm still looking for you. I mean, we're looking good right now, but I'm going to turn in towards you just a little bit more and get a visual.
Oh, roger.
Are you going to be at the north end of that next little mountain range?
Looks like we're pretty much lined up to go right over the top of it. But yeah, farther to the north.